Well, I think at an individual level, as a person, as a Fijian, one is very proud that our team, who come from such humble beginnings, really, with very little resources, are still able to compete on the world stage with teams from countries who pour millions into their teams. And when one sees the comparison between what these other countries have as against what ours, it really makes us sit up and be proud that these guys are. And of course, as the official representative of Fiji in North America, it's something that, again, we are very, very proud of. Well, the function started off this morning at the Elise Wolf Elementary School, and the team got the student body, it must have been about 400 of them, really spontaneously jumping up and down and getting very, very wildly enthusiastic. And it was symptomatic of the effect that our boys have on particularly the younger generation.